Just finished your day and want to eat something spicy and exciting? Just rip open the DeZhuang Spicy Pot base package and start cooking. First, place around 1 kilogram of raw ingredients such as potatoes, broccoli, and other vegetables, as well as meat or fish, into a pot. Then fry everything with oil until medium well. Take everything out and place onto a separate plate to filter out the excess oil. Next, pour some vegetable oil into the pot. Add some ginger, garlic, Szechuan peppercorns, and dried chili peppers. Stir it until the fragrance and flavors are released. When you go like, you need to pour the packet of spicy pot seasoning into the pan and fry it for 1 minute on low heat. Add your prepared ingredients into the pot, mix it well with the seasonings, and stir fry everything until ready. Add some coriander for a better taste. Now, enjoy.